What's up, guys? It's Mike here again. I know it's been a little while since I've made a video, but today is the perfect day. I finally got a little bit of time off, and it's raining. So that kind of ruined any plans I had of doing anything fun. So that's going to give me an opportunity to get some of the things done that I need to get done with this car still. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow along with the rest of the build I got going on. I bought a 2010 GTR, and it has a few issues. I kind of knew about a few of them whenever I bought it. That's why I got it as cheap as I did. So little by little, I'm going through and fixing this car to make it a pretty good car for not having a shit ton of money in it, but some money in it. So for those that don't know, I bought 2010 GTR. It's got 53,000 miles on it. I paid $54,000 for it. Overall, the car's in pretty good shape. For those of you that have been around, I did get the car to pass emissions. I got it tuned. It is now making, I believe it was 626 horsepower and 640 foot-pounds of torque. I'll put the chart. The other day I went to jump in this and I was going to go have some fun, and when I got in it to start it, it doesn't want to start. Give you a little. So that tells me that I'm pretty much thinking the battery's pretty much shot, and so I've already went and bought a replacement. I'm going to put it in. And the other thing that led me to that, when I was looking at it, because I do keep the car on a battery tender, because I don't drive this every day, obviously. So one of the things that led me to go ahead and purchase the battery was that is the manufacturer date, that 11/13. So the battery is 8 years old. So it is definitely time that it needs a new one for sure. So that is one of the things that we're going to do today. Kind of also want to give you a rundown of what was on the car. I wasn't really sure when I purchased it what wasn't on here, but it does have a flex fuel kit by Visconti Tuning. It has the ethanol analyzer. It gives you a real-time reading of what the ethanol content is in your car or in your fuel tank at that time. It does have the tile blow-off valves, Tana B or Tana valve, whatever it is, exhaust. It does have downpipes, deleted cats. So this thing has been a monster so far. The ones that have been here, you know that this car was not my pick. This was actually what the wife decided she wanted to buy. I don't want to say I wasn't a fan of GTRs, but they were not on my list, as I was actually looking for Vipers and Lamborghini Gallardos. So at first I wasn't very excited about it, but I will say the longer that I have this car, the more and more that I like it. Like I said, at first I was a little on edge about do I like it, do I not like it? And like I said, the more I have it, the more I learn about it, the more and more that I do like this car. And although they are a little expensive to maintain, I would recommend getting one if you're on the fence about it or not. Upgrade parts are available, even though everything's going on with the EPA Clean Air Act. I think they're going to ruin everything. So if you want one, I would get one while you can, get everything done that you can before that goes into effect, because it's definitely going to ruin everybody's fun. So we're going to get in tear this thing apart, get the battery changed, and hopefully that solves the problem we're having of it not wanting to start or kind of lagging when it starts. So I'll get the tools I need, we'll get this going, and I will be right back. All right, guys, we got everything put back together. Battery's hooked up. Now let's jump in and see if it starts a little easier. Task is going to be this airbag light. It has been on the entire time that I've had the car, and I figure it's because when they put this aftermarket steering wheel on, they had to take the airbag off, and I almost bet that he never reset it. So I found a little trick on another video that showed me how to do that. So as soon as we get all this button back up, that's going to be the next task, is to get that airbag light to quit flashing, because like the warning indicator, it drives me freaking crazy. So we'll get this button backed up, and then we'll see if we can't take care of this little issue next. So I have tried this method more than once now, and although the light has not gone away, it is now flashing like a code. So it comes on solid, and then it flashes 5 times, then it goes out. And then it comes back on solid, and then flashes 5 times. So, I don't know what that is. I'm not real sure. I don't know if I can call the dealership. Maybe they can tell me, or maybe I'll get on Facebook. I'm in one of them GTR owner group. Maybe somebody on there might know. So, unfortunately, I think this is going to wrap it up for the day, because I thought this was going to take care of it, and you know, I thought I was going to make a little progress today, but apparently not. Hopefully the weather breaks and I can get out. I tested the anti-lag the other day. I will put a little clip of that in here. But I'm hoping, once I get a day with good weather, to get outside and go for a POV drive, do some launch, some launches, do some anti-lag runs, just to show you guys what it's all about. Because if you're interested in GTR, you definitely have to get it tuned to where you have anti-lag and this stuff, because it totally changes the car. It is a monster. So if you guys like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and until next time, have a good one. See ya.